Welcome to this GoBright user video. In this video we will discuss how to report an issue to the facilities team. This could be broken air conditioning or a broken monitor. As part of the configuration for the GoBright portal, the administration team will have configured the solution to enable issue reporting. Let me just take an example. If I've got conference room 1 booked, and in my search you can see I've got my meeting rooms on the left hand margin. So if I just click on that, at the moment my meeting's running and I might have found an issue with that meeting room. You can see the flag, and that flag means there's issue reporting allowed on this particular meeting room, and if I click on that, a reporting issue tab comes available. So in this case it's going to be an environment that's wrong with the room, and I'm going to select air conditioning, and I'm going to put the reason, and it's just not setting, and I can click report the issue. That gives me a splash screen, and that issue is now reported to the issue handlers. That could be your facilities team. Likewise, if I had a desk booking, at any point I book the desk, I could then report the issue, or I could do it live. So if I'd arrived at a desk without a booking, I could then report an issue, and on this occasion it's going to be the amenity, and it's going to be the height adjustable desk isn't working. And again I can just report the issue. On both occasions the issue handler will actually receive emails, and also what they will see within their booking tabs when they go in is an issue handling area, and as part of that issue handling area they'll be able to see any incoming issues that have been reported for the desks or for rooms, and they can then accept those as an issue with the room, and that will then go as an open issue for that team to be able to fix the issue that you as the user have reported. So that's how, as a user, you can report issues directly to your facilities team. Thank you for watching this GoBright user support video. If further support is required, please go to our website gobright.com and visit our help centre.